Nasdaq and Dow Jones both have seen a smart recovery, dropping earlier in the day with the Asia session and now rising with the trading with a bullish bias with the Europe session. So what to expect with the US session, which position we should take trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Those who are new, let me share that this is the second update for the day and I provide twice a day update on major global markets and commodities, and hence pressing the bell icon will keep you updated. So all, and for others, do press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. That's a great motivation for me. Let's start. First let's have a look into Tech 100. See, Tech 100 taking the support from 15,700, now trying to rise. Yes, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average here, and now the moving average is also looking upwards. Prices were divergent here, it has converged, now again trying to diverge. 15,800 levels you should watch out for. Above 15,800 is where the bulls will take over here. So yes, you can in fact stay long above 15,760 levels, but then 780, 800 very good resistance exists here. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a sell, and see this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. So this wave might continue for a while and still it has got a little bearishness. RSI looking upwards. So on the hourly chart it appears that with the help of MACD it shows that it can still retrace again on the downside. Now if you look at 2-hour chart, certainly you can see first base and two other bases. 15,400 is what it is not willing to break, and with that as base it is giving you higher highs here. Expanding triangle, indeed it is a bullish. The moving averages are also trading with divergence and bullishness here, looking upside. Also if you look at now, the prices are a little divergent here. I will look forward to a sell entry only below 15,700, but then also remember 15,670, 15,640, 600 till 600, very good support exists here. Also if you divide into two, you should see first sharp bearish candle, rise, higher highs, and it can in fact give you similar size of bearish candle also. We have to be watchful here. Stochastic rising, MACD is also trading with a bullish bias, though it is converged a bit. RSI is almost flat here. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trying to create a symmetry, but see this bullishness and this bearishness is not symmetrical, but it has left a scope for it to rise on the upside, and hence beyond 760, 770 levels, we can expect 780, 800 as the great resistance, and on the downside, the support are seen at 15,670, 600 levels there. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, if you look at 4-hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs, but this is still a retracement after this bearish candle. Till the time it respects or stays below 15,800 levels, we should not treat this as bullish, and probably we should consider this as a retracement. It can reverse any point of time and can look forward to 15,650, 600 levels. Yes, prices are too much divergent here, and also look at the movement rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So every time it achieves the high, it always tries to retrace a little on the downside. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is bullish here. It is still giving no signs of a retracement. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily chart, now see the week beginning candle, or the market started flat here and stayed bullish, achieved 15,800, and since then has seen lower lows here. Also, the flat top suggests that if it fails to break past 15,800, certainly we can expect the bearishness to prevail, in fact today and tomorrow both, where we can see it trading with a symmetry, achieving 15,600 levels tomorrow, or in fact today itself. But then it has to stay below 15,600. You can sell at 15,700 itself, but then 670, 640, 600 are three major support. You can see 600, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Also, if you look at the formation, see US 100 has consolidated enough here at 15,400, and since then we have seen a rise. It is still trading in the box, so we have to be watchful. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a buy entry. Let's see if it stays bullish from here, while RSI is also flat. Considering this, you can buy at 15,800 levels. However, remember this fact, on the weekly charts it is highly overbought. It has to retrace. So for above 15,800, you have to be careful there. You have to expect that there are certain stronger resistance at 15,880, 920 zone. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone, and beyond that 16,000 levels will be hit. Achieving these levels, it can show a pullback there. On the downside, so for the day you can buy at 15,760, but then 780, 800 very nearby, and very strong resistance exists here. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 15,700 levels, below which you can expect 15,670 first target, 15,640 next, and 15,600 is the third target. Below 15,600 is where the bears will try to pull the prices little down. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit. Now, let's have a look at US30. US30, what it has done, it has created the base here at 35,300, since then lower highs. And you can also see lower highs, higher lows trying to consolidate, and hence in between 35,400, 35,500 already it is achieved. So this zone is important. Rather, I will say now let's extend it to 35,550 levels. For this 150 points, let's be careful with the US30. If you look at the movement, see drop there, retracement, higher highs are done. So now support is seen here at 35,450 levels and then 400 levels. These are two important support levels. And as we know, I have told several times, last week, this week, again in the morning, in the weekly analysis also, 35,300 and 200, these are two crucial supports for US30. Below 35,200, which it should try to hit 35,000 and below level for once. Even if it has to bounce back, it will achieve those levels for once. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards here. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, support, rise, retracement, rise. Now see higher lows, higher highs suggest that it can break past 35,600 levels possibly today. This appears to be the case. However, I will wait because see higher lows, higher highs are seen. So this is a definite greater resistance zone till 35,600. We have to be careful here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, this is still to be treated as retracement. Look at the sharp bearish candle, look at the retracement channel, and hence once you see it trading below 35,400, certainly you have to stay short for 300 and 200 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is crossing over for a buy, important levels because this is coming at a zero levels, near to zero levels, so it could possibly diverge. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, now on the 4 hour chart is divided into two. It is trying to form a symmetry after the drop, trying to retrace and staying bullish. That is what is the cause here. I will wait for 35,400 to be breached to confirm a bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is flat. Considering, I will recommend you to sell here at 35,450 levels. Expect 400, 300, 200 as the next support. Rather, I will say 400, 350, 300 as the next support, and then 200 levels will be seen. And on the upside, now you can buy here at 35,520 levels itself. Beyond 35,520, we can expect 550, 600. 600 is a great resistance. If it stays above 35,600, further bullishness will take over, and then we are going to look at the near-term highs, what we had seen at 35,700 levels. So, yes, beyond 35,600 is where the bulls will take over. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge crossover here, and RSI is flat. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, after forming the tail, now the candle has turned green, and possibly it could achieve higher highs, which suggests that it can in fact hit 35,650, 700 levels, and hence beyond 35,520 we can expect a rise. However, remember, this could still show you a swing. Achieving the highs, it can show a pullback also, so we have to be watchful here between 400, 650 levels. Stochastic rising again, the MACD is trying to converge a bit. It is still in green. It is still trying to trade bullish, and there is lot much of room on the upside still for US30. RSI is overbought, which calls for a little pullback, but it can stretch this bull run. So now I will recommend you to buy here at 35,520. Expect 550, 600. 600 is a very good resistance. Beyond that, we can expect it to get maximum resistance till 35,700 levels. Once it breaks past 35,700, sky is the limit for US30, where it will try to hit 36,000 levels this time. If not today, possibly in next few sessions. If it stays above 35,700, we are going to look at 36,000 levels and plus levels very soon. On the downside, you can sell here at 35,450, expect 400, 350, 300, and then 35,200. Only below 35,200, we can expect that it is going to trade bearish, and below 35,200, 35,000 is a must target. Take your positions accordingly. trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, press the bell icon, reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries, and do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Great motivation always. And yes, we will see you tomorrow with the next update with the Asia and Europe session. Do watch that also. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.